Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of our health, blood pressure. High blood pressure, which is also known as hypertension, can lead to serious health problems like heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage, just to name a few. But the good news is that there are certain foods you can eat to keep your blood pressure in check. So, if you're ready to learn about some delicious and healthy foods, then let's get started. But before we start, please take a second to like this video and subscribe, so we can create more similar content and help others who may also benefit from this type of information. Thank you. Now let's begin. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of our arteries. When this force is too high, it puts a strain on our cardiovascular system, and over time, can lead to serious health problems. According to the American Heart Association, about 47% of adults, 116 million people, in the United States have high blood pressure. This is a serious health concern that can lead to heart disease, stroke, kidney damage, and other health issues. Some interesting facts on high blood pressure. Typically, one is said to have high blood pressure when the systolic blood pressure is greater than 130 millimeters of mercury, or diastolic blood pressure is greater than 80 millimeters of mercury, or is taking prescription medication for the purpose of managing their blood pressure. 50% of men compared to 44% of women have high blood pressure. Only 1 in 4 adults, 24%, with high blood pressure has their condition under control. An estimated 1.28 billion adults aged 30 to 79 years worldwide have hypertension. Most, 2/3, living in low and middle income countries. An estimated 46% of adults with hypertension are unaware that they have the condition. Less than half of adults, 42%, with hypertension are diagnosed and treated. Some of the things that can increase your risk of having high blood pressure, hypertension, include older age. Unfortunately, as we get older, our blood vessels become less flexible, which can contribute to higher blood pressure levels. That's why it's important to take steps to prevent high blood pressure before it becomes a problem. Genetics. If high blood pressure runs in your family, you may be at a higher risk for developing the condition. But just because you have a family history of high blood pressure doesn't mean that you're doomed to have it too. By making healthy lifestyle choices, you can still help prevent high blood pressure. Being overweight or obese. Carrying extra weight can put a lot of stress on your heart and blood vessels, which can lead to higher blood pressure levels. If you're struggling with your weight, it's important to make lifestyle changes like eating a healthy diet and getting regular exercise to help bring your blood pressure down. Not being physically active. Regular physical activity is important for maintaining good health and preventing high blood pressure. If you're not currently active, start small by taking short walks or doing gentle stretching exercises, and gradually increase your activity level over time. High salt diet. Eating too much salt can cause your body to retain fluid, which can lead to higher blood pressure levels. Try to limit your salt intake by avoiding processed foods and adding less salt to your meals. Instead, try using herbs and spices to add flavor. Drinking too much alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can also contribute to high blood pressure. If you do drink, it's important to do so in moderation. This means no more than 1 drink per day for women and no more than 2 drinks per day for men. Lifestyle changes. Making healthy lifestyle changes like eating a healthy diet, quitting tobacco, and being more physically active can help to lower blood pressure. These changes may take some time to get used to, but they can have a big impact on your health in the long run. Some people may also need to take medications to help control their blood pressure. So it's important to talk to your doctor about the best options for you. Fortunately, there are foods you can eat that can help you maintain healthy blood pressure levels. We'll discuss some of the best foods you can eat to reduce your risk of developing high blood pressure. And we'll also explain why these foods are so effective. Leafy greens. One of the best foods you can eat to maintain healthy blood pressure levels is leafy greens. These include vegetables like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula. Leafy greens are packed with nutrients like potassium, which helps to lower blood pressure by reducing the effects of sodium in the body. In fact, one study showed that consuming 4.7 grams of potassium per day reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 8.0 millimeters Hg. Another benefit of leafy greens is that they're rich in nitrates, which can help to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. In a clinical study, researchers found that consuming nitrate-rich vegetables for just 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in blood pressure levels. Berries. Berries are another great food for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These include fruits like blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Berries are rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. In one study, researchers found that consuming blueberries for just 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure levels. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, which can help to control weight and reduce the risk of obesity, another risk factor for high blood pressure. Garlic. Garlic is a superfood that has been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing blood pressure levels. In one study, researchers found that consuming garlic extract for 12 weeks led to a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. Garlic can also help to improve cholesterol levels, which is another risk factor for high blood pressure. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of calcium, which is an important mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming low-fat dairy products like yogurt led to a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure levels. Yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help to improve gut health and reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a major risk factor for high blood pressure, so consuming probiotics regularly can be a great way to reduce your risk of developing hypertension. Nuts. Nuts are another great food for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. They are a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and they're also packed with important nutrients like magnesium and potassium. In one study, researchers found that consuming mixed nuts for 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. Another study found that consuming pistachios specifically led to a reduction in systolic blood pressure levels. It's important to note that while nuts are a healthy food, they are also high in calories. So, it's important to consume them in moderation and factor them into your overall calorie intake for the day. Fish. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce inflammation in the body and improve blood vessel function. In one study, researchers found that consuming fatty fish like salmon or mackerel twice a week led to a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure levels. Another study found that omega-3 supplements led to a reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your blood pressure. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which are powerful antioxidants that can help to improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure levels. In one study, researchers found that consuming dark chocolate daily for 18 weeks led to a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. However, it's important to note that not all chocolate is created equal. Look for dark chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa solids to get the most health benefits. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that our body produces naturally, and it plays a crucial role in regulating our blood pressure. When we have low levels of nitric oxide, our blood vessels can become stiff and narrow, leading to high blood pressure. However, when we have adequate levels of nitric oxide, it can help to relax the walls of our blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure. One way to boost your body's production of nitric oxide is by supplementing with L-arginine, an amino acid that is a precursor to nitric oxide. L-arginine helps to stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body, which can lead to a range of health benefits, including improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased cardiovascular health. Pro-Rg9 Plus is a high-quality L-arginine supplement that is designed to help support the production of nitric oxide in the body. It contains a blend of L-arginine and other key nutrients, such as citrulline, which work together to help support healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that supplementing with L-arginine can help to improve endothelial function, which is the ability of the blood vessels to dilate and relax in response to changes in blood flow. This, in turn, can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Links to Pro-Rg9 Plus can be found in the description below. In summary, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for overall health and well-being. By incorporating these healthy foods into your diet, you can reduce your risk of developing high blood pressure and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Remember to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and to limit your intake of processed and high-sodium foods. With a little bit of effort and some delicious and healthy food choices, you can keep your blood pressure in check and enjoy a long and healthy life. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.